Hello everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, a lady cry out say her husband when they don't marry for 7 good years. That 7 good years, it the jogo doing well ever since. So she said, nah, your husband, not the jogo doing well again. Because of that one, he said no one marry again. My people, how una raising this kind of thing? Your own husband, when you don't marry, 7 good years, when they dey Italy, he said the jogo doing well, they do okay. He said, but when they come relocate to Germany, the man not come the jogo doing well again. The man not the doing well the way she need them again. Because of that one, he say they marry again. No, say he want leave the man. Like seriously, for me, I can't reason. I can't say no, my dear. For you to come leave your husband because the jogo do you well now. But if they do well before, he say yes. So does it mean say that something this man they use that time? And wetin be consider the reason, no, my people? Because how can the man wey you deal with for 7 good years, my people, 7 years, not be more you, not be papa fly something come happen, no, 7 good years. Say the joke do one way, but since when they can't relocate to Germany, come the jogo do one way again. But before, if they do one way, she never complain. Now she they run for jogodo. But now, say before the man go just put the walking stick for the only pot, he don't throw away the supply water. So she say she no fit again. Say she no fit again at all. So does it mean say now something way in they take ever since where this woman no know, my people, how una reason now? Me the reason I say I bet this man they take something since where this woman don't know. Maybe now the thing you not consider the thing he buy again for Germany. Now he make he come the throw away the supply water like that. Now waiting be consider the reason, no. So now he make all those things we be say our made they take the jogodo with women. It no good. Because now the results now be all those ones. Now, maybe for waiting me reason, no, maybe he not the same I buy again now. Now he make now one can they do natural, and the natural now it don't go come work out again the way it's supposed to be. Una they understand me, my people, my beautiful people in the house. Una the reason waiting be the reason so. Me the reason I say in they take something that time. Now, you don't want to take again now. But the supply water now just the true way like water. Now they see the thing so. So the woman say she not fit again, she not fit die in silence. Now I say, but maybe you see reason at the other part too. You don't marry this man. You with this man don't dey for 7 good years, and the jogo do you way. So why now we be say you not can do and when now you want can live am. Children don't evolve. May you not go. You say not fit again. She now no go fit making come deal with man can't go the cheat on her. Either the man change or the man in go leave am. My people, what una reason? What did this man fit take now? When this woman go take they okay? What did this man fit take? If una get anything una fit help this our brother, make una see put una comment for the comment section, no. Whether men I beg. Now, me really like get this topic way. I beg. If you not get any help, or women will still get idea, still leave your comment. If you not get any help, I fit help this our brother. I beg, make una help him because he said he husband. Now, in fact, no water board now. The way water board the flow, the way the water they come and the same as so your husband be. So my people. If you not get anything, wanna help the man, wanna still help him. If not to give him all those abandon this year, be me, I don't know. I just they talk my own no. or whether now those the ginger and lime you go they take or in they take sweet things well me I don't know my people. So now wetin una go fit help this man now. I beg make una help am because make this woman not can go leave am because say the joke go do am well. The thing make the woman still rethink am because you not fit your leave man because say the joke go do you well. The thing guy be my people. He get as he be So now waiting me still reason and say man see bring up more and see help me chook mouth put my people. Because the thing when something go past Joromi, you go they go Samba. And so this one be now the woman say no fit again. She say she no fit again. So either this our brother feel they take something before now waiting me reason. Either in fact they take, he not gonna see buy enough as they can relocate. Now it can be the problem so. And waiting me, I reason. That be that one. So this our sister say she no go fit again. He say she no go fit. She no go fit again. So if una get any help, una fit help this our brother. I beg my people, make una help am. Men, una stop to the take sweet things. It no good. It they make man dey weak for bed. It they make man not they perform well. All those they not say make man not take sweet things so, but not be say man they go just carry coke, they drink am anyhow. Just carry coke like say na water. You go just dey drink am. If you know you just carry malt, carry sweet things. All those yogurt will be say not too sweet like that. It's still good for men. More than they take them. Not be so now just carry coke. All those sweet things begin they drink am. It they make mad if you can't reach bed. If you perform well again. You see they cause them too. You understand me, my people. So my cute men then make una stop to they take sweet things. You see they cause all those things. So if una get any help wanna fit help, the one with me I just see the reason though. Either those the ginger and lime, all those garlic, I don't know. And everything me just see my own way. Now just the talk and whether all those one go still good, make the man they take am and waiting me see tell her. But if una still get any idea, una feel you still write am for the comment section. Make the man they take am because every woman. I not go lie, every woman needs make their man they satisfy their way. You understand me? I know say many women we need them. May our husband they make us they happy, and the you woman too go see make your husband they happy too. You will not be only you one. You understand me? So I beg. If una get any help, una fit help this our brother, muna help him. Before a woman will come go leave and say because they perform well, So I beg. If they try or woman understand me, he said the man they try. But now the man not come they try again. He say so you don't know what he cause him. You don't know what he cause him. When the man not come they try again. But before the man be they try. But now the man not come they try like that again now. So now that one be the problem. So the cocoa with the and I know say woman now if man not satisfied the way they not be say the man must spend 100 hours so I know say some men they just believe say now only to just the jogodo with woman I be the happiness. No, you see play with your wife, that one say they important. Play with them. Now your wife touch her anywhere where you want to touch her, play with them well. If you play, I believe if you play with woman way, even though you can't spend you're not going to say if now even 5 minutes you even stay real safe, the woman go even like her because she don't dey okay. You understand me? But if she not dey okay, now that jogodo of a thing you can't dey hungry her again. But if she don't dey okay, she don't satisfy, you not go dey bother again say one do 100 times again though. Yeah, now truth you not go dey bother again. Now when it be say she never satisfy, you can't go dey you can the thing you can the hungry her again. But say she don't dey okay, you know go the hungry her again. Say she want come jogo do 100 times again before she will come dey okay. No, as far as say you don't play with her wella. The woman her no go dey that jogo side again. Now only when you never really like satisfy and when the thing go see the hungry her, you go see the because some men you believe say now only to just John put do in the day okay, you know, go bother whether the woman dey okay. No, that kind of one, you know, good. I believe saying I waited this our brother, not they do for this our sister. Oh, and I waited me just see reason, you know, because if they do one for them, they play with her way. I believe say the woman not come they complain like this. So if you not get any help, more than not judge the woman who say the woman has spoiled woman this. No, you not be spoiled woman. A woman will talk your feelings at night better past like the one will not they talk, you go they die in silence there. You go they do innocent. Now those kind of one go outside, go they cheat on their husband. They not go tell their husband say see waiting that they pass through. Again, one topic when I talk about that time when one man the jogodo the wife the jogodo another man. She even get belle sef. She get belle. The jogodo another man. Or on top of their bed. Their husband can't catch them. As the husband catch them, he can't say make they continue for where they stop. If una that me, mona request, I will give una the video. So I not be saying a joke or that say I just the form story. The video there with me. When the man can't catch his wife with the jogodo, they say make they continue. So I believe say okay, maybe now those kind of things, maybe the man not the satisfy am. And the way I look the woman, he look innocent. You know say people will get innocent face, they know they catch they for body. And people will be say they're strong for eye, like will be say they even they innocent. People go they say now they spoil, now they spoil. Now those ones where you know expect now then I be the highest. The highest now they be my people. So we will not judge people with their face. So we will not judge the woman saying a spoil woman. We will not insult her for comment section. If you not get any advice, we will say advise her. We will say advise her. So now be the topic we day today, my people. So thank you everybody. Take care. So like come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news where they come this our platform here. So thank you. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. And bye for now. Bye everybody. Bye.